Hi, I'm Max Byrne. I'm a fourth-year mechanical and aerospace engineering double major, and I love DFA Davis.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I love Design for America.
Hi, I'm Dylan. I'm a computer scientist and a designer.
I am Alex Hitty. I am a graduating senior here, and we are DFA Davis, and that's pretty freaking cool. The project that we're doing right now is to help increase visibility at nighttime, because here in Davis we have a lot of bikers, and that's a pretty big problem. You know, there are some spots that just aren't very well lit, or where cars can't see bikers, or where bikers can't see other bikers, or pedestrians can't see bikers, and seeing bikers is kind of an issue that we're kind of hoping to resolve.
The how can we statement we picked was how can we make bike lanes more visible at night? We went through a number of different organizations we wanted to help, a number of different causes, and realized that biking would be perfect for Davis. Everyone bikes at night, or everyone bikes to class, everyone bikes at night, whether they are properly equipped or not, because it's really a necessity here and it's the most efficient way to get around.
So our product ended up being an LED-powered bot stop that we essentially will put on the road, and then as the bicyclist drives by it, it will light up and then light up a couple in front of it. So that not only do you get light on the bike path, but you also get the effect of there's a constantly turning on and turning off light at the side of the road. It's very difficult for drivers to miss, at least that's the point. So what we came up with as a final design would be an object that looks very similar to the bot stops you see on the side of the road now, except that it has lights on two surfaces as a bank of LEDs. And these would be powered by a solar panel that's on the top.
In order to prototype our light bumps, we came up with the idea of having small L brackets with LEDs on each side and then a reflector on another side. Those L brackets, just made of simple aluminum, and you could buy this at any hardware store, would provide a framework for the LEDs such that we could have them oriented and illuminating as they would on the actual bike bump. When we actually got into the prototyping process, we discovered very quickly that LEDs are really finicky. It's difficult to get the exact right current and voltage across the LED when all you have to work with are a couple of AA batteries and one trip to Circuit City or to Radio Shack without an actual parts list. We managed to get some resistors together. We tried for a while, messed with both the voltage we were putting across the LEDs, the amount of resistance, the type of wiring, type of connections, a lot of stuff, and we just couldn't get the LED to light up. Initially, we had a lot of difficulty getting the LED to light up, and we ended up going with a different type of prototype to simulate the end result that we were going for. In a later meeting, we were successfully able to light up the LED, and this gives us an ability to prototype the brightness and different cones that could better reflect and direct the LED's light in the future. We haven't yet been able to prototype those stages of our design, but that's our next step. We ended up talking and thinking that, okay, we can't necessarily prototype the specific LEDs, but we can prototype the effect that we want to go for. The biggest reaction we got when we were talking to people was that they were really drawn to this idea of lights coming on as a biker goes by. That dynamic reaction to a biker's presence got people really excited, and that's like nothing they'd ever seen before. We ended up putting together just normal bike lights, putting them in socks so that the light would be contained a little bit, and the whole thing would illuminate, and it would be more of a glow than a directed beam. And then with the use of cardboard shoe boxes on strings, we could pull the boxes out of the way and reveal these sock lights, simulating the effect of a light turning on when a biker goes by. We put that together and it actually looked really good. It's very eye-catching from any distance away, and you're suddenly drawn to the movement and attention of someone going by that you may not have noticed before. What I want to see in the future of DFA is a lot more learning, support, and growth from everyone involved. This 4 weeks has been amazing. We've learned a lot about the design process, but we have a long way to go. Next quarter, we're looking at doing workshops with different faculty members on campus, bringing in multiple more resources. We have several grad students that are interested in getting involved as well. We're going to look into funding with campus resources. We've already been in contact with actually people from the city of Davis also to get our bike lane idea, assuming we can get a functioning prototype together of our actual solution. It's potentially going to be implemented in the city of Davis.